In business, the distinction between must and should is critical for a mindset that fosters success and progress. Should suggests a recommendation, a path one might consider, often carrying a tone of optional or non-urgent action. It implies preference rather than necessity, allowing for procrastination or maybe even a half-hearted commitment. On the other hand, must conveys a sense of urgency and imperative. It's a word of commitment and determination, indicating that the action is not just advisable, but it's necessary. When business owners adopt must in the vocabulary, it shifts their approach from passive to active, from possibility to priority. This mindset ensures that crucial tasks are not merely considered, but are acted upon with seriousness and promptness that they demand. It creates a culture of accountability and responsibility where goals are not just aspirations, but mandates to be achieved. In the competitive and fast-paced world of business, this shift from should to must can make the difference between stagnation and growth to survival and success.